Ready to transform your Slack workspace from a notification jungle into a streamlined automation hub. In this video, we're diving into the world of webhooks to seamlessly connect Slack with N8n, unlocking powerful automation capabilities in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel where you want to receive notifications or trigger actions. Click on the channel name, then select Integrations. From here, you will be taken to the Slack app directory. To create a new app, search for incoming webhooks and click on the application to add to Slack. After you install incoming webhooks, select the channel you would like to use and then click at incoming webhook. Slack will generate a unique webhook URL. Treat this URL like a password, as anyone with access can send messages to your channel. Copy the URL to your clipboard. Now, let's jump into N8n. Start with a blank workflow. The first node you will need is a webhook node. Configure the webhook node. Note the listen URL generated by N8n, and this is where Slack will send data. So copy this URL. Next, drag in an HTTP request node. This node is where we will send the data back to Slack. To trigger a notification, set the method to post, and then the URL from the incoming webhook from Slack. Inside the HTTP request node, find the body section and enter the information you would like the notification to contain. For instance, you can include the username, icon emoji, and message you want to send to the Slack channel. Connect the webhook node to your HTTP request node. Run the workflow to ensure that your connection is working correctly. Now, when the workflow is triggered, it will send a notification to your Slack channel. And that's it. You've successfully connected Slack with N8n using webhooks. Explore the possibilities and start automating your workflows today.